Hi, good day, Ma'am Aiza Dayo. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Isa P. Dayo. I am 42 years old. I have 5 kids. My kids is 23, 18, 10, and 3 years old. I'm undergrad for Business Administration, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. I live in Pila, Laguna.
All right, thank you. Then, do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have two brothers. I have two brothers.
All right. And then, are you married or single?
Married.
Okay. So, can you please describe yourself?
I am hardworking. I'm hardworking. Uh, I'm patient. Uh, I'm also fast learner.
All right, thank you. Then, may I know your reason why you want to apply again in abroad?
Uh, I want I want apply for work abroad to support my family, to give them better future and support my school of my kids.
Okay, thank you. And then, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yeah, I have experience abroad almost 10 years. I'm working experience is working assistant teacher for almost 2 years, and also I am also experienced for um, exam officer at Doha College,
All right.
and also experience here in the Philippines. I'm for household.
All right. So first, in your work experience abroad, so you work as a school assistant and an on-call exam officer. Did you finish your contract in Qatar?
Yes, I'm finished my contract.
All right. So regarding on your work experience here in Philippines as household or helper here in Philippines, did you finish your contract here?
I'm finished for 2 years, 2020 to 2022.
All right. Can you please tell me your duties and responsibilities as helper here in Philippines?
I'm doing laundry, cleaning the room, cooking, and also take care of babies at the 2 years old, also 5 years old, and 7 years old.
All right, thank you. And then, are you willing to take care again of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes.
Okay. So, what will you do if you become homesick?
I make busy for working in our house.
All right. And then, are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes.
Um, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I have 3 dogs here in my house.
Okay. So, how do you describe your cooking skills?
I know how to cook uh, Japanese, Japanese recipe, Filipino food, and also I know also how to cook biryani for Indian food.
Okay. All right, thank you. And then, are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, I'm reading.
Okay. So, do you have any food allergy?
No,
Okay. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
yes,
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
yes,
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
yes.
Do you drink alcohol?
No,
How about smoking?
no. Also,
Okay. So are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
yes,
Okay. So do you have body tattoo?
no,
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
no.
All right, for the last question, Ma'am Aiza, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
I promise, or I'm doing well. I'm also fast learner. I want to give my best to work and to handle what she said.